Okay, so here's another example. We've raised the degree on the dividend to a degree 3, right there. And we're just going to write this up. Okay, so the divisor is over here, 3x minus 2, and we're dividing that into 6x cubed plus 11x squared minus 31x plus 15. Okay. So notice that it's in standard form. Notice that your degrees are your exponents are going 3, 2, 1, and then, there's a 1 there, and then the constant here at the end. So that's important. It's important that all of them are represented. So we have enough terms here. There are 4 terms. And that's 1 more than the degree. So when you have the degree plus 1, that should be because of the constant. That's how many terms you need to have when you're doing this division in your dividend. It'll come up later on another problem. Okay, so here we go. 3x into 6x cubed. I'm going to say that's 2x squared. Then I'm going to multiply. And that gives me my 6x cubed, right? I'm just checking kind of. 3 times 2 is 6. X times x squared is x cubed. Then I have to multiply the other one, minus 4x squared. Okay, now we have to change those signs. That's really important. So we're changing that to minus, but we're changing that to plus. So I keep saying that because if you don't, then it's going to mess it up from there on out. Okay. So these cancel out. That's supposed to happen. And I get what? 15x squared. Now, you might be thinking, hey, what if that didn't come out to be divisible by 3, They're going to create these problems so that they're doable. So I wouldn't worry about that too much, just in case you were wondering. Okay, so how many times does 3x go into 15x squared? Well, that's going to be 5x. And again, if you have trouble with that, you can go over here and say, what's 15x squared divided by 3x, and then hopefully you can see it. It's 5x. Okay, so then we do the multiplying. 15x squared, that's supposed to happen. Whoops, I forgot to bring down the number. Okay, let's do that. Negative 31x, right? Like I forgot to bring it down. Okay, but back to our multiplying. 5x times negative 2 is negative 10x. Okay, change our signs. Minus here, plus here. Okay, those are canceling out, and I get negative 21x. And I'm not going to forget, I'm going to bring down my plus 15. And one more time, 3x into negative 21x is going to be minus 7. Multiply, minus 21x. Multiply, a negative 7 times a negative 2 is going to be a positive 14. Okay, and don't get sloppy here at the end. We're going to change our signs. It's going to be a negative 14 in there. Okay, these cancel. That's supposed to happen. And the remainder is 1. Okay, so how are we going to write the answer? What is the answer? The answer is right here. That's the quotient. So 2x squared. I don't know why the 2 just did that. Plus 5x minus 7. And then I'm going to put plus 1 over the divisor. Okay, so you do about 3 of these and you're going to say, I got the process. So just take your time and be careful with your signs, and it should all work out.